everybody. I've owned this Firebird for exactly 15 years. What better way to celebrate than to take an anniversary ride to Clarksdale, Mississippi and do some geocache maintenance. For the maintenance of this geocache, what we're going to do today is I'm going to take this container here and I'm going to replace the container that I have. This container here is definitely air sealed, water sealed, and it's also big enough that we can put some geo coins in, travel bugs up to a certain size. Well, travel coins for sure. We can actually put a couple of dollar bills in it. No, this one doesn't have it right now. But if you just want to do that, that's fine with me. You can put Monopoly money in it, all I can. Hey, it's for the geocaching community. So this is what we're getting ready to do right now. My old container was getting waterlogged and the logs kept getting wet, plus you couldn't really put anything else in it. So I'm going to replace it and put this one in, and we're going to call it a day.
The closer I got to the cache location, the more muggles I saw.
No, I'll be able to do anything then. Somebody sweeping, somebody getting in. That's what you're supposed to call it right there. Look at that blue son of a gun right there. We just gonna have to go for what I know I'm going in. Park right here behind this cat. Alright, so we are now close to the cache area. Gotta look around and see if the coast is clear. I cannot believe Clarksdale is this busy this time of day. You know, I should have come at night. His cars all over the place. Alright, let me try to make my move now.
I actually had to walk around a city block, act like I've never been to Clarksdale before, and keep looking over my shoulder and peeping around corners before I could replace the cache. This took about 15 minutes, but eventually I was able to replace the cache.
But that son of a gun there, I like it. It's hot, hot, hot. You guys, I'm telling you, that doggone Clarksdale, Mississippi is coming up. It's 11 o'clock and it is full. This is the exact spot that I did this burnout. The famous burnout. The one I can never duplicate. Definitely just had to put this in the video. This is Clarksdale for me, people. Move, huh?
Okay.
Run, man, run, run!
I'm looking at you. I'm looking at you. Look at the back! Look, Mama, look! Look at him!